annual passes at Shades of Green. If I can get them out of here.
Let me see yours.
Mine's prettier than yours.
Nuh-uh, mine's way prettier.
Nuh-uh, mine's prettier. See how mine says pass holder on it right there? How excited are you?
So excited.
Good. All right.
Screaming children. Screaming children. Popcorn?
So I came in this?
You knew there was a popcorn stand over here. Somebody got their first popcorn.
It's delicious.
Is it everything you dreamed of and more?
Yeah, more for sure. I'm wanting this popcorn forever.
So pretty. It's so pretty. Lee doesn't even care. He's just too busy eating popcorn.
Alright, where to first?
Priorities, I guess.
Universal have like more like.
Sir, you have to wait at least 6 minutes in between popcorn refills.
Nah. Like that? Is that better?
There you go.
I'm still missing the top of your head.
You need to angle it.
We're gonna go ride Pirates. First ride of the whole trip. It's a 20-minute wait. Woohoo!
Oh, bubbles! Bubbles!
So, Pirates turned into a 30-minute wait, which we're not really feeling right now. So I think we're just gonna keep on walking. Maybe go to the pin store. I don't know. We have no plans, so just see where the evening takes us. I want some more food. I'm hungry.
Back, they have to disembark.
Where?
Right there. No. Are we just having snacks for dinner?
I'm down for snacks for dinner. Snacks?
These are the ones I'm collecting. Ice cream. I'm also collecting the donut ones and these.
What are those? The Zoom Zooms? Or no, those are the
these
dolls,
are the,
right?
yeah, the Russian nesting dolls.
I need to get like one of these Stitch sets. But, any traders, right? So what mystery pack you gonna get?
I don't know.
night, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Till 10. Extra
Till
magic
10?
hours from 8 to 10.
Are we doing Hall of Presidents?
Yes.
You said we have to do something that we've never done before.
Yeah? Let's do it.
All right. Right now? Popcorn. Can we get a refill?
$2 to refill, right?
Right? Can we get a refill?
I guess our first ride's gonna be Hall of Presidents.
Hall of Presidents first? Oh.
We said we're gonna do 2 things in each park that we've never done before. So this is number 1.
Whoa.
Bill Clinton's running shoes are there in one piece.
Bill Clinton's running shoes, babe. What do you think about that?
Even George Sr. Bush's horseshoe set. Also find Thomas Jefferson's pocket watch. Lyndon Johnson's leather boots.
Jefferson's pocket watch.
President Madison's glove dress. Darker section is from a light from his generation.
This is history.
Next show will begin in about 18 minutes.
What?
HD projection.
Okay, now, does anyone have any arguments in favor of England and King George? Boo! Boo! No King George! No King George! No King George! No King George! No King George!
What are you gonna get?
Corn donuts. Duh.
Duh.
Thank you.
Jefferson's pocket watch. Great moments for Mr. Lincoln.
Have all sorts of personal effects and artifacts from those presidential libraries and collections.